Mami mo akwaba umbra GCN page so meeting at the adjoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some me abe on so. Ube notification video be obenye bi ahwe. Appiah Stadium na okase na adofo ye nyeni se Appiah Stadium eye NDC ni. Na Appiah Stadium kire se Ghana ha. Se ye ka enkrofo a opomo asem pa ene ontumi yi eye omanpani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama efi. Obetumi di niti kra to ho etwa de ama omanpani dada opena sem yi papa. Na Appiah Stadium de ensem bi atodwa na ne sem a okay na ne se. Why any research? Ofiti yes our research no. Ache yi papa. Na research ni na ne se. Ghana ha no. Oye north na. Not na ni bie ni ho anase sebio. Tani bie ni ho a obetumi abeye president e wo man Ghana mu bio. Apart from a year Vice President, His Excellency Bawumia, and so Omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama, same crofumi no, who you mufiwa, Sebio, Tenny Bienwa, Obetumi Abaya President, a war on my gun name Munaye ende, and I say Ochna, into research na wayano, ene. Na dentia Appiah Stadium, ede in some way na etu jano. Power FM Inside Politics programmer eye Mugabe na hosting. Na discussion omo eye no mo friend eye Appiah Stadium na omo ebisa na adwenkyere. Na adwenkyere Appiah Stadium e de man na o kire se. Eye Speaker of Parliament so ye NDC ni. Eye Honorable Aban Babin na afenso Honorable Haruna Indrusu a oye minority leader de ma NDC amayoko no and afenso Honorable Mutaka say nkrofo miense omo ayo omo adwense omo pese oni omo ne omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama eco competition e wo 2024 abatu ya eda ye ni ma ye babatu say nkrofo miense omo ayo omo adwense omo pese omo so be president na City FM omo eye Honorable Aban Babin interview na interview ni mu eno mu bisa ne say your man dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eno winning 2020 election no ena o man position na ankobeji na eno ena Honorable Babin se Davida anka onje adenji na ense oje onpempo onpe na me ndisi fo ahyomo no mo chese na Honorable Babin pa why no appoint you na nkofo be no mo dis power no ehye won sa wokodu wa wo pese chese wo your man dada John Dramani Mahama na se akondwa na chese obofe na chese san nkofo me ense eye Honorable Haruna Indrusu na afenso Honorable Mutaka na Owura Babin mo pese muji o man dada John Dramani Mahama na se akondwa ebofe ene ndisi fo chese nya de o mepende aknochra na bebre na ebeka kodi o man dada John Dramani Mahama na fa Oba kodi na fa papa because na mo de na zi amoba ya ba se na mo president enya de be ye na sa discussion no mo ye no mo frɛ eye Appiah Stadium no mo je na dwenkyerɛ na dwenkyerɛ ni mu na Appiah Stadium e kyerɛ se Ghana ha no mo de on why na research enti no ma na ndisi fo kwa mo ho nkyerɛ omo ntumi nda omo ntena ase no omo relax because 2024 about to neighbor eye man penida da John Dramani Mahama e na wotu frank ade ama ndisi amayoku na fe so ona no be wini 2024 Oman penda da be winning. Timana NDC for home who cry. Na eno ena eye Appiah Stadium HS why any research. Na research na why no. Enya dia sebio tani bia betimi abe president wo memu apart from eye His Excellency Vice President Bawumia and Oman penida da John Dramani Mahama. Ni enti ensema Appiah Stadium e de etudwa.
Che bubu no. Lawyer na o je situ but ona na ni Dr. Otiaje nam na na. Hey, that's all what Nyanza. Hey,
achimini this you. Nyanza woni trim. Oya international lawyer onye ni packet wa sa.
Na ma say wo share be obi alam kaza ma share akola bi. Maja Owura bubu e temi kan. Me chia o mumienu nyina na ala wo sam say papa etiwe pa Owura jo mama ye hwe ha sa post ko wa mani bi. GF kura wa de man kura kanye bone. Yana na mo sa ye lusu we du ba bi e penyansafo aka kire wo mo na eka o esu ba nya moto kure ni nanim
we dey appear on say nya politics ya na de number radio so on bo
nya politics okọ buru ma mu na wo sa buru boy ya DC ni pa esu ba say ya ti kuma sinin kan ye fi say oba TV so ba politics na say we politician ye panto Mugabe na eja amaso no ma hotel na me ma hu video na de make am say na no me koja Honorable Chairman was vetting me Owura John Dramani Mahama Ghana hani wiase nyina uyi obi a okaze mitwa bitima na mi jo mama mitwa ma chima sabu oye madamfo ebiya ebo de ni bret mi beja no na be ba parliament o bubu ani lawyer me so uhe ebu tumo se mutaka no ne NDC MPC no omo wo to krom ase nkomodie ase mo nya gidi ase business ni wo efie ho a ke mo di ga ofie ho eti NDC supporters nse ya fia wa nhye NDC chirinyanim a na kwadu tooth anomani tino se na bem oba fom ye ba akwaje anoma no na ya anyene jo ma ho ni ankaza ni fie na no betia beze be kachire alaji mutaka ne honorable minority leader say Mima Appiah Stadium research amaye no esremuni anasa meka se tanii betima di president aka limam ho ene jo ma ho a enye John Dramani Mahama na Dr. Mahama and Bawumia eti omo ba ni omo jo ma yi a ama ne 4 years watia mutaka wa so asie edu ba bi ade no mo ga be risking life but kuma to be mu di twitch esano ya ba to abaye o ambi mu ade ya de nyina o ba gire mu aso ase.
Hello Appiah.
Appiah line ko Appiah de mechia ne kuma sa meta
pepe masha
ma make say
mo be say na Betty Mood almost ma Betty Mood to the region. So on koye dey no won say judges no mo be say questions.
Yeah won say me ba ha ba won say mogare ade ba ko a enen so betedwa ba ko ne say I said in Katia is indeed an embodiment of our elections.
Oh, why not?
Sure. Yes, we presented 3 witnesses. Even though I disagree with the court on the grounds of saying all the other 2 knew were the least said about them the better. I disagree with them, but indeed the court told me I said in Katia testimony was something to go by. But you see, not me. I'm not surprised because proud to the proper hearing, me can say a certain case should be made to go and testify. I told somebody, say JM should not go to the witness box, but a certain case should be made to go to the witness box because of why one no elections, when you not see and there was nothing that you ask him. In fact, after the day on only the query, one more if the media says in different interview, and I said to them that I said did what he can do best. Or did what he does best. Lawyer. And indeed, that's what exactly. And then it has manifested. Look at the ruling. His name transcended from A to Z of the ruling.
Lawyer, me lawyer ni. But ruling, no, me problem ba compare one. When him say NDC for can say they were vote pardon.
Yeah.
There were.
Yeah.
They didn't say there was. And in trying to prove their case, they brought one sample as exhibit.
Exactly, yeah.
And my question is, why did the court depend only on the one sample, but did not consider the numerous pardon no cumulative figure? Team free the total of Nanadu. That is where my problem is. Okay. But because sample now what they attach here, say. Pardon by where you say, but this is how it occurred. Where at 4,000 something, what got 4,000 every 6,700,000 and something. Why would Nanado not still get 51 point something %? Then you left all the areas, Ashanti region, the end of Brebena, pardon at the same everywhere. Me, that is my problem with the ruling. Because if they had taken their time, no. So I can't read.
But almost say the back of my camera.
No. And
they never said that.
My problem with them is you cannot use only one out of the numerous padded to decide and work mathematics on it.
You can criticize the judgment.
That is what I'm saying.
The only thing you cannot do and said to insult them.
No.
Use hatred words against them. But criticism beyond on the judgment is allowed. Why you disagree on them with them on certain issues? No? Episode of Akandi. Also, what said why you disagree with them on certain issues?
Yes,
so that one is allowed.
Fantastic. Okay. Lawyer Edoji Tamaklo say discussion I any day. Okay. So contribute to on the CEO of Parliament House in Rano.
All right.
Lawyer Edoji Tamaklo 5 year more kwaba.
Muga.
Apomo eh.
Oh, what the other Roma, we are na me senior brother, enemy apart, almost to the whole enemy there. And we tell me any words of encouragement. Omodema,
the grassroots.
The grassroots.
Fantastic. What?
Very.
Lawyer Edo Jitamakulu.
When we say Enwa, Embra, Mutaka text no about the text so.
Papa.
Can be because if you have some,
sir,
it's a bedding with you.
Sanity.
And say a later the mark on the we are almost as not be there. Omona.
Me de wasa musu ya juma.
No cre. Na boga. Media. Anopani sorry, you know. Na maboto. But me call time me buy, you know. Manya some renewed strength be.
Fantastic.
Wouldn't me say Yamanyokui and Nagana for
Pepe.
Look, Sir Yamanyokui, National Democratic Congress, and then Nagana for Epe. And Intina Moga, Oshia, Yeni Yamanyokua, Yechmi, a constructed university from the scratch. Amanyoku beyond me, ebi a CPP. Yechmi,